are Justice Girls with Toy Ambassadors, and we are also the Unicorn Squad. And if you want to be a part of the Unicorn Squad, it's very important that you hit that subscribe button, and then right next to the subscribe button, there is a little bell. So hit that too, so you be notified when we upload a new video. And also in the comments down below, put hashtag Unicorn Squad. And guess what, guys? Today we are bringing you one of the hottest toys for 2018. Featured in the Toy Fair of 2018. You already know? It's Pomsies! They are so adorable. And they're so fluffy, and they're so colorful. They're so pretty. Yes, and they are lovable, wearable pom-pom pets. Go cuddle and dance with me. 50 reactions.
That is correct. Welcome, guys, to Natalie, Luna, Carrot. The girls and I myself are super excited to bring you the Pomsies. They are super adorable and they do a lot more than just being a toy. Interactive. All right, guys. So here's a close-up of these cute Pomsies. Look how fuzzy they are. Their eyes are so glittery inside, and wait until you see what these babies will do. Look, they're super adorable. I totally love the packaging, which is super cute. It's pink.
It even comes with a brush included, so you can like... Wow, I love brushing when I was 2 years old.
Wrapped around your heart. How cute is that? All right, guys, so here are the Pomsies. Lovable, wearable pom-poms pets. Color changing eyes, light up and sparkle. So that's what I was talking about, you guys. And also 50 reactions. Tickle, cuddle, and dance with me. Oh my goodness. You guys are going to be able to really interact with this toy.
And you guys, when you wrap it around your wrist, it tells you your mood. Like if you're happy,
it'll totally change the mood, right?
Yeah, like
we're gonna show our friends right now. Also, tail wraps perfectly around your wrist or backpack. Brush included. Look, guys, all this awesome cute stuff you can do. Oh, she looks like she's having so much fun with it. Oh, this is so adorable, guys. And we got this at Walmart. All right, girls, are you ready to review these cuties?
Yes.
Let's get started.
I keep telling my dad I love brushing my doll's hairs, but I'm going to have much fun
with the Pomsies. All right, girls.
It's like a person rolled up in one. You
it's super cute and interact.
Interact and get to move. Yeah.
Exactly. We're going to see in a minute. All right, let's get going. All right, Luna. And what did you want to advise everybody that use scissors? Make sure
your parents
or a guardian it's with you so you won't get hurt. And also be careful when using them.
Or you won't cut your finger.
Exactly.
Or your head.
No, not your hair. You're silly, Luna. All right, Luna, which one are we unboxing, honey?
This one.
All right, let's get started.
It tells you their name. So this one is Boots. Aww.
This is Boots?
But before we start opening these cuties, we are going to tell you that there is 7 to collect.
And they also, like Natalie was saying, they have names. And there is Boston. We don't have it yet because we didn't have Walmart didn't have it available.
And there's
Boots. Do we have Boots, Natalie?
Yeah. Yes, right here. This is Boots.
So he is Boots or she. Which one you guys want to call him? Is it a she or he?
It looks like a she.
All right, let's call him she then. All right, Boots is there. And there's also Patches.
Patches.
Do we have Patches?
Right here.
All right, guys. That is...
More like a he. And there's also Sprinkles. It's Speckles.
That is Patches. Let me give you a close-up. Pinky. We don't have Pinky. There was no Pinky available.
I wanted to get Pinky.
Sherbet. Do we have Sherbet?
No. We have 2 Patches over here.
Do we have Snowball?
No.
Not available yet. Speckles?
Right here.
All right, guys.
Present.
Yay. So we got 3 of the 7 to collect, guys. And we found this at Walmart, right, girls?
Yep.
All right, guys. So we're going to get going and show everybody this new Pomsies.
You guys stay tuned because we are going to be unboxing them all. Yeah. So I'm going to start. So I'm going to open Speckles. Yes. And then the next video, I'm gonna open mine.
So make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and the bell so you'll be notified when we upload a new video, guys. All right, Natalie, let's get started.
It's gonna be so cool. This is gonna be awesome. So let's do this one over here. So then Speckles has room. Yes. It's gonna be so.
And I'm really in love with the packaging too.
I was cutting it because I didn't want to rip the back. That's what I did.
You guys gonna collect it back too?
Yes.
Alrighty.
Okay, so I got. Sorry. I got while you're open. Yes, Luna will show while I am opening. There's a brush.
Let us see the brush, Luna.
Okay, let me open it. Let me. Here's the instructions.
Alright guys, like Luna was saying, here are the instructions, and these are for 4+ 2 ways to play. Press the nose to wake Pomsies. Hold the nose for 1 second to switch between modes. Alright, so we're going to follow the instruction, guys, and we're going to come back and let you know how this new Pomsies work. And also the batteries were already included.
So thank you for the people who created this.
Exactly, and included the batteries. It's very important. Batteries. All right. And it needs 1 AAA, which is included, and I love that. All right, guys. So, and if you can also, I believe you can buy them at www.pomsies.com. So check them out.
And there's a brush.
All right, guys. So there's the cute brush, Pomsies, and also it has the shape of the Pomsy, just like the. Oh, it's a little cat.
Guys,
So cute.
Hi, my name is Speckles. What is your name? Make sure you comment down below your name because I want to know. I'm so curious.
Alrighty, guys. Here you have them.
And it even kind of talks, like you can kind of hear it says, hello.
I am so in love with this Pomsies.
It's feeling your mood right now. What color is it?
Green.
Green.
So what does that mean? Hiccups.
Oh no. Pomsies have the hiccups. Shake them to make the hiccups go away. So shake it. Is there like a teal? Is it kind of like tealish?
Yeah.
Or green? What color is it?
It's sleeping. It's green. I love that you can interact with them. Look, guys, and here's the best part. Here's where you can twist
Around
your
bracelet. It said, it perfectly sticks on your arm.
Super cool, guys. So I'm trying them on.
Ooh, there's hidden sensors. There's a head, light of eyes, the mouth. There's a hidden sensor.
All right, guys. So it's wrapped up in my. Oh my gosh! In my wrist. Look how cool. All right, guys. So Natalie is going to tell us what the colors in his eyes means.
Teal means happy. Yellow means hungry. Green means hiccups. And blue means sneezy, coffee, or shivering. And pink means silly. Rainbow means super happy.
All right, let's see. And also you can press the nose.
It says, are you going to play? Or do you want to play? Or are you trying
Look, and it sounds like a real kitty.
Look at us, guys. Is it saying meow meow?
He's dancing. His eyes are pink.
Pink means silly.
Silly. All right, let's try it again.
Oh, it says you're my favorite.
Oh.
What color is it?
Teal.
Happy. And what color is it? color is it?
Still teal. It's super cute.
Now what color is it? Still teal.
Teal. Look at his ears. His cat ears are
like
super
glowy.
cute. Alright, guys. Aww.
Up a notch.
So it's like a little, it's a ball. It feels so fuzzy. And here.
Secret tooth. Secret fart.
Now it's pink.
Secret fart. Press and hold their mouth and back at the same time for 1 second, and they might just let out a toot.
Here we go. Here we go.
What? Press
Let me try it again.
and hold their mouth and back. Did it fart? No, not yet.
Let's try it again. He's saying goodbye. You try it, Natalie. So we're gonna try to make him fart.
Fart.
So hold it for a minute.
Let me see this. So their mouth is right under the nose. It says press and hold their mouth and back at the same time for 1 second. So then maybe.
You throw you a kiss.
Aw, thank you. Let's try again. I think Puppy, our dog, he's sleeping on here.
He blow you another kiss.
Kiss. I don't know how to make them too. It's just saying press and hold their mouth and back. Let me. Okay, guys, so we are gonna purr his back so to make him purr.
It's working.
We petted his back to make him purr. Wait, let me try. Here you go.
It works.
Wow! Rainbow eyes, so then that means super happy. And freeze dance mode. Press it now for 1 second to switch the dance mode. Purple eyes. When the whistle blows, shake palms to the beat of the music. The faster you shake, the faster the music plays. When you hear another whistle, freeze. So then let's play freeze. Okay. I'm scared. Like freeze dance. You have to shake it. It's going crazy. Freeze. It changes the songs.
Breathe.
Wow. He's dancing. It's going crazy. It's going crazy. He's shaking the table.
Pomsies, they're so interactive. You can play with them. You can dance. Oh, this is so amazing. We give this Pomsies a what, girls?
Big giant. No, not big. A giant. A giant. Like 100 giant thumbs up.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
I love them.
Good job for making this Pomsies. Oh, yeah, the brush. Let's brush his hair.
Brush his hair. Brush pommies to keep them fluffy. Brush handle clips on tail. So then try to clip the brush handle on his tail. Okay, let me put it on. Try to do that. And then
So he won't lose his brush.
Yep, he won't lose.
Because we happen to lose most of the brushes, guys. Because the girls play with them all over the place. So I guess Pomsy will not be losing his brush because he's going to be able to keep it in his tail, right? All right, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. And stay tuned as we're gonna be unboxing.
Bye, love you. Wanna do another dance? Let's do this, baby. Wait. In 3, 2, 2.